Anong advice ko sa'yo?
I've been there, that's why.
So,
I think I'm worse.
with Kuya Louie support.
I've been there.
Yeah, I know.
That's why
Dave,
I wanted
I
to be
support you so much.
I
I
respect
advise
you,
you.
yo.
Diba?
Yeah.
So, pero
respect you, man.
half I changed, diba? They accept it. Now you have the good life.
Yeah.
Kaya alam gusto kong ito hindi ko pinagkakailan sa kanya. Only gusto kong mangyari sa kanya, magkaroon siya ng legal license na pag-drive.
Gusto nyo.
Okay guys, ito
Gusto ko rin yun.
Personally, okay? Financial, kung you have problem,
Oh, I know, wala akong problema. Galing sa'yo.
so we're gonna help them. We're going to help them. Okay. Di! Yun ang sinasabi ko sa'yo. Kung may financial problem ka, we're helping you.
Yeah, I know.
So, do it.
I don't know how to start.
You start from the scratch. You have to go to school, do it.
No, the thing is, it's complicated.
No. Di,
No, you don't know my history. Okay?
do it.
Ang history ko is from 94 to 98. Packed up.
Fuck
Okay?
them.
Packed
Fuck
up.
them.
No. Packed up yun dahil sa lahat ng mga ticket na yun, which is, and then, I've been gone
Hello,
for
okay.
10 years.
Wait, I hold you, okay. Guys, he said there's a ticket.
Okay. Palagay nyo na yung ticket ko, which is, palagay, plus the interest, 20 to 35.
Okay, guys,
Driving.
we help him. Hey, you, fuck you.
Driving.
No, we
Lahat ng
gonna
huli ko, I mean ticket. Lahat.
fuck. Okay,
Okay.
we're willing to help you.
Everybody
Okay, okay.
You know what?
So, what you gonna say now?
I'm thankful, but you can help me.
Why not?
Because as my problem, me and the SAQ.
D, whatever, I'll take it long. We still help you.
try to kiss my
I'll do that later on.
No. Yeah, even you have problem.
I know.
No bullshit, okay?
It's my turn.
Next! No, you're still there. So, di. Ito walang bullshit na. Kuya Louie, support you.
I know.
And everybody.
I know. I got
Everybody
my
knows
back.
that.
So,
I know,
whatever.
I got my back.
Di ba yun ang palaging hinaambisyo ko sa'yo? Mandy, fix it.
The thing is, you know what? I don't know how to start.
You have to
I
start.
don't know. No. You don't tell me scratch, okay? Kasi scratch is
Why don't you
nothing.
start?
No.
Saan ako magsisimula?
No. Listen. Please.
Like how step by step? Tell me.
You started already.
Listen. You started. You don't know. You started already. You already started.
What, do you mean I have money?
No.
Your life started already.
Already.
I know my life started.
Okay, now, listen.
But the problem doesn't.
No, we're gonna solve
We're
it.
going to that.
With your personality, with your friends around you,
Okay.
we are supporting you.
Fuck, man. We're here to enjoy.
Yeah, I know that.
Money is earning.
Yeah.
So anyway,
But
ang gusto namin mangyari sa'yo, ha? No matter what, you start all over, from zero. Let's say, you have to go to school.
not supposed to hear
I don't mind that.
Yeah, okay, you do. At least you do. Okay? You start from zero. So, let's say you have financial problem.
Let's say.
Let's say, okay, we're there. Even we have more financial problem.
No, don't say
No.
Kilo.
Listen. No, wait. Listen, play. You start. Let's say you have financial problem. And then,
not gonna have financial problem.
so we were gonna solve it. And then, in other
Find another problem.
Another
Find
problem.
another problem because I don't have money problem.
No, fuck.
No,
You want this one?
Keloing, I'm telling you straight up, I got money.
Shit, give me some.
Give me. I got money. I'm so young.
But sometimes I knew it.